We're going straight to the African Director of Leadimpact University in the person of Miss Reverend Mercy Joseph.
Thank you very much.
So, Ma, I would like to understand the heart of Leadimpact University for Nigeria. We know the university is in Colorado. We want to know the heart of what's the plan? What's the plan?
Well, thank you very much for that question. Vision is the key to all successful pursuits in life. So asking what the heart of Leadimpact University is for Nigeria is absolutely in order. Well, for Nigeria, not just Nigeria, but Africa as a whole, Leadimpact has a vision to influence the next generation of leaders and even the current world leaders as we know them. You know, leaders in the church, leaders in the marketplace, leaders in government. We are here to bridge the knowledge gap. Probably there are things you're trying to achieve, there are things you're trying to accomplish. You still need to navigate, know how to go about accomplishing those dreams that you have. This is where Leadimpact comes in. We come help you identify the needs in your organization, help you identify the needs in your church, and we bridge that knowledge gap, give you the required information that will help you succeed.